Hey everybody, this is Praxis, and it's been a little while since I did some coverage of what I've been doing, but the state of affairs right now is that all of the conduits are all run, they're all buried. I've got it cemented off on this side. I've got a water line. This is the type of water line that you would run underground to get water to like a sprinkler system. It's like a 1/2-inch line. Put that through there. I've got a coaxial video line running so I can get a camera out there so I can count chickens every night without having to go out there. And in the 1/2-inch PVC line, I've got some 12-gauge 12-2 wire running, and I want to get that wire down inside the house. I've got a pass-through down here where the water comes out for going out to the hoses and everything, and we're going to split off from here to go up into the system too. But I kind of dug another hole through the pass-through. It was like a 3 or 4-inch hole in the concrete wall, and I've got this piece of PVC pipe that's going to receive like a little junction box that'll have an outlet for powering this and everything. And I actually want to show you what's going on outside. That's why I'm wearing sunglasses, because we're working with the sun today. I mentioned I just kicked this thing. These sun ovens down here. Love these things. If you want to cook with the sun, I definitely recommend the sun ovens. And I would definitely recommend against using this kind of thing. This is a parabolic solar cooker. It's really good at boiling water really fast. And that's kind of it, unless you want to bend PVC pipe. This is the piece that's going to be coming out and then going up to the wall and then heading over and then doing another 90 down. And instead of buying a bunch of couplings and everything like that and fittings, I just bend it myself with heat. And I'm going to show you how that goes. You can save an awful lot of money if you do this. It needs to come over and kick over 10 inches and then, well, it's a 10-inch offset. So I've got this focused on the middle, and I'm just rotating this around. You got to move really fast because this thing could burn this pipe pretty quickly. Going back and forth into this area that I'm toasting right here. The sunglasses help, but I still got to squint because there's so much light coming up through there. Let's see, are we ready to bend yet? Nope, not ready to bend. What it does is it kind of melts through all the plastic, and then all of a sudden the thing gets really soft. And there it is, it's starting to wiggle now. I want to get it nice and wide. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. Okay. And you got to squeeze it. That's why I've got the gloves on here, is that you can't just bend it because it'll pinch itself off. Right around like that. And I'm squeezing the sides like that. And I want 10 inches of offset. Something like that. And I measured it out on the table here just to make sure yeah, that's about the right. So it doesn't have to be exactly 10 inches. I want it just somewhere in that ballpark. And I'm squeezing it to keep it open through here. You could run it under some water to cool it off a little bit faster. But right now it feels a little bit like modeling clay. And I'm just squeezing it into the shape that I want. That looks pretty good. Just about like that. All right, cool. So next step for me, and you guys don't have to see this, and I'm sure the camera's going to run out of video pretty soon anyway. The next step for me is just bring this inside, kind of put it up to the wall, and then the wire comes out of the wall, goes up against this wall, comes over, and then does a 90-degree bend down to that box that I mentioned. So I'm just going to figure out exactly where that 90 degrees is, and then come back out here and do the second one right there. But this is a great way of making pretty elegant looking pipes, and I save a ton of money, and I can make any bend, any angle that I please. I don't have to be set to just 90s and 45s. That's it. Thanks for watching.